Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Far Cry 6 is having an issue with not launching, won't launch, freezing, stuttering, lagging, low FPS drop, stuck all loading screen, and even many more issue which is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to always start with a simple restart. That's what I'm recommending. You can start with a simple restart. So just go over here to the game, and to do a simple restart, what we need to do is just go over here in the start. Just click over here and do a restart. So once we're done with the restart, just launch the game and we have to check. Make sure instead of launching the game from the Steam, we need to launch the game from the installation folder. So to do this, we just need to go over here in the game, right click, go to the properties, go to the installer file and just click on the browse. Or if we check over here, you can see this is on the local disk D. Or you can go to the file explorer. Now from here, we can go to this PC, go to local disk D, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to the command. Now from here, we have to go to Far Cry 6 and we just need to go over here to the bin folder. And now from here, we have to launch the game. So try launching the game from the installation folder, not from the Steam. It worked for many users. You can try this out. And also I'm recommending you can try running the game in the compatibility mode. So to do this, just click over here. Now from here, go to show more option, go to the properties. Now from here, go to the compatibility and click on run this program in the compatibility mode. And we have to set this to from Windows 7. It will be by default on Windows 7. So you have either try with Windows 7 or you can try with Windows 8. And also click on run this program as an administrator, go for apply and go for OK. And we have to close this and go back and to the Steam and we have to try launch the game once again. Make sure if the game is saved and if you're having the folder, we need to delete it, which means you have to delete the saved game files. So just go to the file explorer, go to the documents, and over here we'll be having the folder for the games. Or if you don't have the folder like the Rockstar Games Dead Space, just go to My Games. And here we'll be having a separate folder for Far Cry. So if you don't have the folder for the Far Cry, just close everything. Just delete the folder and then try to launch the game. Next one is all about we need to allow the game to Windows security. So just go over here, search for the control panel. Now we just need to click on this one. And we just need to click over here in the system and security, go to the Windows Defender Firewall, go to allow NAPOD feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, scroll down and we have to navigate to the game Far Cry 6. So over here, as you can see, you'll be able to see the Far Cry, it is already added. So make sure the Far Cry 6 is available here or the .exe is added. And we have to put a check on both the boxes, that is on the private and public. So if we don't find the game here, we need to add it by default. That is, just click on the change setting, go to allow another app, go to the browse, navigate to this PC, go to the installation folder, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, we have to scroll down and navigate to Far Cry 6 demo, select this one and we have to add it. So I'll be getting the error. I'm getting the error because it is already added. So that is why I'm getting that. So if you don't find here, you can add it by like this. Now just close everything and go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to unplug all the USB devices. So we might be connected with a lot of peripheral devices might be connected, or you can see what you have to say. You might be connected with other joysticks might be connected, or we might be connected with external devices might be connected. So all these are causing the issue out. So we just need to unplug everything. Once afterwards, try launch the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to perform a clean boot. So just go over here in the search, go to system configuration, search for the system configuration, click on this one. Now from here, go to the services, go for disable or go to hide all Microsoft services, go for apply and go for OK. Now we just need to go for the restart. But as you can see, you can try the restart. Once the restart is done, you can try launch the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, you can try next one. That is all about we need to disable the Steam overlay. So just go over here in the game, right click, go to the properties, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Make sure this is turned off and you have to launch the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, you have to go over here in the launch option. So you have to start with the first command, that is the X11. If DX11 is not working, you have to try with DX12, or DX12 is not working, you have to try with B3, B2. So any one of the commands might be working. So if that's not working, just remove everything. Once everything is removed, just go over here and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to close all the overlay application. So just go over here in the game, right click and go to the task manager. And right now, as you can see, these things are running in the background. So there are actually 51 apps running in the background, and all these things should be removed. So just remove everything. And once, for example, this code is actually an overclocking application. Epic Games Launcher is running in the background, which is of no use. So just go over here and remove all the unwanted things, because when these kind of things are running and you try to launch the game, you'll be having the trouble. So try removing everything, and once afterwards, try launching the game. Next one, it's all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, search for the graphics settings, just click on this one. And what we need to do is just go over here and we need to add the game. Just click on the add desktop app. And now from here, go to this PC, go to local SD, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, we have to go over here, Far Cry 6, and we have to go to the Wind and select this one, and we have to add it. Once everything is added, just close this, and we have to go over here, GPU preferences, and this should be changed into high performance. And once everything is being set into high performance, just close everything and go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to increase the virtual memory. So just go over here, go to view advanced system setting, just click on this one, go to the advanced, go to the settings, go to the advanced once again, go for change. Make sure this is blank and you have to select the local disk. Either you have to try C, B or E based on where the game is installed. In my case, it is D. Now go to the custom size and we have to set the value for initial size and the maximum size. So just go over here, search for a calculator. We need a calculator. So just type your calculator and you have to type. So the first one is 16 GB is my RAM. So I have to type 16 GB, multiply it with 1024. And you have to multiply it with 1.5. So that brings you 24576. So just copy this and we have to paste it. Make sure maximum size 16 GB multiplied with 1024, and you have to multiply it with 3. That is 14 and 152. And we have to copy this and we have to paste it. So once every files are successfully done, just close everything and try launching the game. Next one, we need to update the graphics card manually. So I'll be providing a link in the description to both NVIDIA and to the AMD. So if you're on the NVIDIA, just go over here, select everything, like you have to select GeForce and everything should be selected. And GeForce 16 series should be selected. GeForce GTX 1650 should be selected, and go for Windows 11 and go to the file. And now from here, what we need to do is we just need to go over here and we need to driver version. So this is the 566.36 and December 10, 2024. And the file size is around 732.88 MB. So we have to download this one. We can also try installing if you're on the AMD, just go over here, select everything. Now from here, go up to the 5700. So just download this one. If you're on Windows 11, download this one. And if you're on Windows 10, try downloading this one. We can also try installing Microsoft Visual C++ over here. As you can see, we can just download this one. If the system is based on x64, download this one. If the system is based on x86, we can download this one and install and restart. And that's what we have to do. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to do an important step, that is verify integrity of game file. So just go over here, right click, go to the properties, go to the installer file, and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So verify is actually, it is going to cross-check every single files of a game. And if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. So this is actually a very important step. And as you can see, this really helps in the matter. So if any kind of files are corrupted and if any files are missing, we'll be having an issue with these. So it is quite important that we have to cross-check these and make sure that no files are corrupted, neither no files are having any kind of damaged issue. So once this is done, we'll be launching the game. So we just need to wait this to reach, and I'll be showing you a bunch of stuff. So once every files are successfully validated, just close this and try launching the game. Last and the least step, we need to uninstall and reinstall the game. So just go over here, go to the manage and uninstall the game. And we have to reinstall it back. But it should not be installed back on the same local disk, but you have to try either a new local disk or COE. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment sections. And also, don't forget to visit our website, Games Heroes. And I'll be back with more videos in the next day.